Crazy Bird's Clubhouse, Bubbles and Alfalfa save Christmas.
Ah, cozy toes.
Hey, Bubbles, I dug a tunnel. It's a great hiding place.
Mary's at the house making cookies. You don't have to hide.
Yummy! That's true, but this is fun.
Emergency! Emergency! Tinsel, what's wrong?
Is it a snack emergency?
No, Santa needs help again!
Why? What's going on?
Sparkles is on her way to explain.
Bubbles, Alfalfa, we have a big problem. Rudy the reindeer's nose won't turn on.
Oh no, a reindeer without glow is just a deer!
No! Not a regular deer! That won't help Santa see where he's going.
Exactly. We need new lights, and you two are perfect. Will you help?
Of course!
Sure!
Great! Here you go. These are too small for the other reindeer's heads, but you two are the perfect size.
Wow, I'm a Canary lighthouse.
And I'm a Gerbil flashlight. Watch this!
Ah, that's perfect. Santa should be able to drive his sleigh now.
Super! Come on, let's go!
I don't know if I'm cut out for this job.
Come on! It'll be fun soaring into the air. Varoom!
Okay, reindeer, let's do a test run and go super slow. Remember, they're not used to this.
Reindeer moo now?
Yep, they're excited. They were worried they wouldn't be able to fly tonight. So you two saved Christmas.
Faster, do a loop-de-loop.
No, I'm a bird, not a circus act. Ick!
Hey, look! A snowball with a face!
Perfect. You're officially the new Christmas headlights.
I'm retiring after this.
Here's to the glow team.
To Santa, to Christmas, to cookies!
Merry Christmas and Happy
Holidays!
And that's how Bubbles and Alfalfa saved Christmas. Like and subscribe for more crazy adventures.